Hello and welcome back to the Sassy Moms channel, guys. So today is going to be a little bit different. It's not a travel vlog, but it's a surprise birthday celebration for my daughter. Actually, her birthday was yesterday, but I kind of feel like she had an idea, or she got used to that idea that we would celebrate her birthday on her birthday. So today I did a little something different, so I decided to just do it the day after so that she doesn't know or doesn't have any clue on what's gonna happen. So I just finished cooking and I just finished prepping, putting up some decoration, and she's upstairs, so I'm gonna call her in a little bit. Right? See you in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna blindfold you. Don't cheat, okay? Don't try to peek, okay?
Okay.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Your eyes are closed, right? You can't see anything?
How about you do that testing?
Okay.
I don't know how you do it, but
We're gonna change your shirt. I'm gonna have you put on a new shirt, but I'm not recording it, guys, so I'll see you later. So Megan got her shirt on and we're going down. Are you ready?
yes, I don't know where the camera is, so I'm just gonna do like this, like.
I'll hold you, don't worry, I'll guide you.
Okay.
I'll be your eyes. Okay, let's go.
Okay, that sounds fun.
Okay, you may now take off your blindfold.
Okay.
Just pull it down so it's quicker.
Oh yeah.
Surprise! Happy birthday!
Thank you, Mom.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. I love you so much. We love you so much.
Love you.
Aww. I know you don't have visitors, but you have me, and that's enough, right? And Dada is not here, but I'm Dada too. So, love you. Okay, enjoy. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Megan. Happy birthday to you. Blue, make a wish. Make a wish. Alright, happy birthday! Yes! Woo-hoo! Ready now? Welcome.
Yeet. Not welcome. I'm kidding. Oh, this is a very summery seat. Oh, I'm gonna win now.
Matching set.
Yeah. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yes, what is it?
The BT21 backpack. Oh my gosh. It looks so cute. Oh my Shuki. Thank you, Mom. Wanting this for so long. Thank you, Mom. Bomberman! I'm so excited to play this. It's tie-dye. Ooh, we can tie-dye some shirts, eh? It's gonna be pretty fun to use. I can't wait to use this. And wait, what? Season DIY painting by numbers. Ooh, maybe interesting. Thank you, Mom. I really am gonna learn how to use this.
You're welcome.
Yee! Got a bunch of art. Slippers. This is
BT21 slippers.
Ooh.
You like it?
Yes! These look very nice and cute. And the last one, this one's the biggest one. Yes, thank you.
Okay, you have a travel pillow.
Not just any travel pillow, excuse me, ma'am. This is a tata. No.
BT21 neck pillow.
Who's this from BT21? Yes. Thank you, Mom.
Okay, I have one more gift, one last gift for you. You can turn around now. Happy birthday!
Oh, you know your problem?
Ah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
You can't wait to use it.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, it's not always big parties, grand celebration. It's about making that person feel special and feels valued. So I hope you guys liked it, and remember, like and subscribe and
Spread the good vibes.
spread the good vibes. So we'll see you soon. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and that bell, okay? Peace out.
Woo!